Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Trading with Apex Trader Funding Accounts. First of all, we have to check how is the market going the last period, in the last days, and everything that's happening in between. Let's see first with the 1 hour daily chart. Daily chart. That's not the daily chart. This is still the daily. This is the daily chart. Daily chart, big green candle here, big massive green candle there. We didn't take the lows, but we might go and take the highs of the previous days. If it wants even to go lower, might be it has to wants to get these highs first. Okay, we have definitely some push there. We come back, we retest this area, we're pushing back above. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hello, Rushinko, good morning. Good morning, my friend. How are you? How is it going? Hope you're doing great. How was your weekend? Man, too long. I was traveling all the time. I left Saturday night, New York, and I got home at Sunday, 1 a.m. It was long. Too painful, to be honest. Too painful. We didn't grab this high yet on the 1 hour chart. So that's something. Why my line is here? Is this Friday high? Yeah, this is Friday high. What the heck? Oh no, this is Friday high. From here. Oh, it's correct then. This high we didn't grab it yet. So we might really still look for some potential upside right now. And if I go to the NQ chart here, we're starting to get some green in the hour chart. The 1 hour chart is coming to be, it's starting to get green. We are green in the 30 and 5 minutes. So definitely more upside right now than downside. Right? So if I go to the time frame and I go for the daily chart, we're still totally green, very pushy, and let's go back to the 1 hour. So okay, so for the moment everything looks strong. I mean, some stocks that are selling off in pre-market. Oh no, market open right now. Okay. Let's get to the market. Let's get to the action. Fayaz, good morning. I'm great. I've had an amazing weekend. What did you do to have an amazing weekend? What did you do? Hello, Mufti. Good morning. So, guys, as you see, my balance is a bit lower. I show you the trade I took on Friday. I took the trade on Friday in the afternoon, and I lost. And I should have not taken the shitty trade, but I took one normal loss. I can show you. Cool coffee on me today, man. Thank you, Cole. Appreciate you, brother. I met Cole just a few days ago. Great guy. Fun guy. Cole, thank you a lot, man. But you don't have to. Again, you don't have to send me any any coffee. If you're here is enough. But I appreciate you. Yeah, good stop loss on Friday, guys. I entered long here, and honestly, it made sense. 15 minutes range test. It made sense for a continuation. It did not work out. You know, good stop loss. Glad I did not re-enter, and then it came down. You know, as well. That is the size. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, we already got these highs, guys. We already. Oh my God. Yesterday, the Friday's higher. This one. Wow. We might get a really good push here today, guys. Everyone, watch out. There are a lot of Amazon scammers. I got tuned. Yeah, unfortunately, it's a lot of them. There are a lot of them. So you're gonna get a lot of people texting you. That's why I always try to tell people, don't DM me, avoid DM. I don't communicate from DM. Let's communicate from the chat in our Discord. It's me. That my profile name is dark pink, and that's me. All right. You cannot. Text with another one in the general chat. Oh my God, we're getting a push here. That's 80 points from the start, and what a beautiful push. Incredible. Thank you again, Cole. Appreciate you, my friend. Ansa called this move before happened, join Discord guy. To be honest, he was looking at it. We're like, this high still not get liquidated. So this can happen. And this is the previous Friday's high. So hopefully we're gonna get our entry signal. We're gonna look into it. We still have a lot of time, so we don't rush on it. No rush. But we will look into it. By the way, also my vlogs of New York will come out in 1 hour, so that's as well as another one. And let's do it. 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 I'm back home, my friend. Back in France. Back in France, brother. But thank you for calling me Hama. Mufti. I'm Mufti. How are you? Yeah, you got back home, man. Yesterday was a long travel, brother. It was a long travel, man. You know, it was such a long one. I was dying. But now internet connection should be perfect here at home. I have a lot of speed upload and download, so the live should not have any problem. The trading session should not have a problem. And you can see it, well, no, really, you cannot really see it here, but even the 200 milliseconds here on the top does not even appear. So let me go show it to you if it does it show you. Usually on the top here, it shows the delay of milliseconds, and not even right now it does not even show that. But wait, can you say can you see my cursor? No, not really, right? You cannot see my cursor. Oh, now yes. Wow. Okay, I have to click on it. Okay, now I know that I have to click on it when I have it. Okay, so usually you see 200 milliseconds here or higher. Now that with the connection is working quite well, I don't have any of that. Guys, we are 20 followers from the 2000s. We're gonna do giveaways at the 2000. We're gonna do giveaways at the 2000. I'm thinking about which type of giveaway to do. If it should be monetary, or do something else. I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe, you know, $10,000 vacation somewhere around the world for you guys. Yeah, dream about it. You'll never get that. What the heck? I do giveaways for $20, not for 10K. What the heck? You know, before you start hoping and having a dream about that. Yeah. Nice push for the moment there. Let's see if we can start to get some nice, interesting candles for me to continue longer. Will be this next high, Friday's high, will be interesting. The 1 hour chart is getting a little bit of green, but still not that much. So I have to be careful on that as well. I really need to be careful of these highs here. Ansa will sing a song for truth. I can sing even now if you want. You back home? Yes, guy man. Good morning. Let's trade, everyone. Let's lose money. Let's overtrade. Let's don't respect our rules. Oh yeah. No, don't do that. I do as well. Yesterday, Tradovate advised me to change contract because I do test a few tests in Tradovate, but the volume, it was still higher in the older contract. Let's check it out. Do I have time to check? Yes, I think I have time. Let's check, for example, this candle here. How much volume they have here? Does it show here on the top? Good morning, everyone. For example, Where I have to add an indicators. Wait, I have 2 indicators here. I have 1 indicator here, so I can add it. Indicators, 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 add indicators, volume. So how much is the volume in this one? For example, here I have 1,746 contract. No, 14,000 contracts has been exchanged here. 14,000 contracts on the first 5 minutes, right? MNQ U5. I said 14,000, yeah? Here it's 22,000. Wow, it's much higher. Let me... Maybe you're right to change it, huh? Maybe you do the right to change it. Let me see how much the candle moved there. From 792, from here to here, it moved 338 ticks. How many freaking points is that? I don't know. 340 ticks. And here, 336. A little bit higher, this one. So still U5. Oh, then U5 is better. Oh wow. Okay, then this is better. Yeah, yeah. Somehow strange that early. Contract rollover is today. I thought it was gonna be something like tomorrow or Thursday. So I guess that's we're ready to change then. That's a nice candle here. 21 compared to 44. Looking at the... Let me change everything then. MNQ U5. Hello Nick, hello Jimmy. This actor is a thing of futures. No, I mean, definitely it needs to be the volume. If not, spread is higher. Price MQ is different. No, the price does not matter, Abdel. The price does not matter. That's just different contracts things. It's more about how much it moves compared to the other one. When there's lower volume, it definitely moves lower. Yeah, I'm switching. Good morning, Sabria. I'm thinking about this long idea here. This will be my stop loss at this break of this high, but we're still kind of holding this area. If I go long here, it will be how many? $280. That's too much. That's good. I'm gonna go long there, guys. Stop loss will be there at the lows, and we continue for the break higher. I don't think it makes that much difference most of the time. Yeah, I agree with that, especially during this week of switch. Hello, greeting from Belgium, first time wait. Hey, hello, Jackie. Greeting. We're not that far, huh? I live very close to the border. I'm close to the border of Luxembourg, so it's Belgium, almost there. Hamza, we have news. Oh my God, that's a good point. No, no news. No news. Yeah, not agree to switch them on fairly. Yeah, yeah. No, this week it's totally fine to switch it now. Does not change much. So I changed that things. I want just right now to put yesterday. Let me put the daily yesterday. Now it changes quite a lot the fact of the daily. I don't use continuous contract. Makes a little bit of a difference. Okay. Trade with Gator. He asked questions about. Can I answer? Can I reply to that questions? I'm not sure. It's because it's personal. I think it's. I'm not sure. I can reply to that question. I'm not sure, to be honest. Not sure if I can reply to the questions. But I can say that I cannot trade during my working time. That will for sure 100%. I cannot trade during my working time. So right now, for example, is my lunch break, is my time off. So I do trade and I do my live stream, but I don't. Yeah, definitely I don't trade. And honestly, it has been a great thing because it allows me to be more strict with my rules. Yeah. No worries at all. You do right. You have the right to ask questions. Just get another scam answer. People, yeah, man. too many scammers. Too many scammers in this period, guys. It's full of them. Yeah, that's what I always repeat. If you get scammed by someone telling you to buy something, that's on you, guys. That's on you. I always say it. The only things I say is my Apex account, Apex discount code is Hamza. Then whatever you, then I don't offer any paid things, any course or anything. Even Discord is free. If you fail for something, it's on you, guys. Don't come to me later and get in trouble. Huh? We're going for the continuation higher, guys. Let's see if we get the break higher the 15 minutes right now range. Anticipating this 15 minutes range, but it looks good. It does look good. Oh, that's some spike there. I didn't get my TP yet. I mean, it does match there. Is it 10 points there already? I mean, if they look for 10 points, 15 points is still higher. It was a quick one, huh? Jose, incredible that I met Jose. Incredible, guys. I met Jose in New York. Incredible. Absolutely insane that I met this guy after 2 years. Randomly as well, because I totally forgot he lives in New York. Totally forgot. Good morning, Falla. Good morning, Falla. Good morning, man. I totally forgot this guy was living in New York. And he was like, are you in New York? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, let's meet. I was like, what? And then it comes to realization after. I was like, ah, shit, this guy lives in New York. I forgot. I still forget because he's Mexican and he has spent so much time in Mexico, that guy, that I always thought he lives in Mexico. Are we gonna get destroyed or are we gonna keep going higher here? This 15 minutes range in the last period not working that much, huh? I mean, we're still high. We're still above this high here. Well, that was one reason for me to keep going for this high continuation higher. Answer chat Discord. What's happening in Discord? Man. Man, it's a scam. I never DM people. Stop, guys. I never DM you. You know, and just being easy. Wow, I'm gonna get stopped out in this trade. But yeah, I never DM you guys. I never DM you. So be careful. Be careful, guys. Well, look at that. Yeah, because trading is a great stream to grow. Look what my scammer said. To grow value, if you want gets to understand it well enough and deal with the right prospect. It's not always just about going into the market. It's always about knowing what's required, the right steps, and being able to manage risk the best way to make a better possible outcome. Are you basically a day trader or you've been long-term portfolio? So that's, guys, and that's not me talking. I don't write that that way. You have a Discord? Yes, I have a Discord channel. It's, description is below. The link is in below this video. It's free. Just be careful. You're gonna get approached by many scammers with my same name. So many scammers. Yeah, I was like, how the heck? No, yeah. Don't, just be careful. Just be careful, guys. I don't DM people. You're welcome, Jackie. I don't DM people, guys. I just don't DM people just because of that. One of the reasons is that one. I stopped replying to people. What the heck? Okay, so something is happening today and we are in a trade, and for the moment we're getting a bit of a lucky situation, but that's some weird stuff happening there in this market. We're closing the candle in 10 seconds and gladly we're closing it slightly above this 15 minutes range. You're staying out for now, you do good. Look at that. Do you see that candle? Did you see that candle, guys? Let's go to the 1 second, like 1 second chart. We can go to the 1 second chart. That is a 1 second candle. That is a 1 second candle. 44 points happen in 1 second. So imagine the people that got slippage here. Imagine the people that got slippage. That's some liquidation things that happen. And right now it's, you know, let's trade the 1 second chart. Right now it's consolidating, it's making a flag. I have to be fast at thinking, okay, if it breaks above here, I'm gonna put an order, buy long, stop loss will be below here. That's my idea. Oh yes, it's already broken, that's good, I'm long. Profit will be 2 to 1 compared to what I put right now. That is trading on the 1 second chart. It would be so fun, yeah? Look at this 1 second chart, guys. Okay, it's coming against me. That was a nice, no, well, little, not that much, eh? 44 points there. Still consolidating here in the 1 second chart. That's so funny. Let's go back at the 5 minutes. And we saw our slowness. And let's wait right now. Aren't you going to give such precise entries? Precise entries, drawdown almost not existing, and risk reward is at least 1 to 10. I don't know how people are not using it. I still don't understand. It's the best chart in the world. Morning, Matt. Morning, guys. How many people we are right now? Trading. 21 people. Welcome back. Welcome, everybody. we're 20 points, 20 people from 2,000 subscribers. Then we're gonna do giveaways. It's not gonna happen today and neither tomorrow, I think. It's gonna happen the next days, but we're gonna do giveaways. Bits, I got to say, okay. With you're not, you know, you need a little bit of time of thinking, so you want to 2 seconds. It makes sense. It makes sense. You know, that second more makes a huge difference. It's double time. You're doubling your time. Okay, can we still push higher? Can we still push higher? If, let's see if this candle starts to be a little bit more interesting, gives me some more confirmation that this long is getting. We have the 900s. No, we don't have any 900s here. We have to change. NQ5. 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 That's nice. Oh, okay. Okay, we're at $160 in gain there. Give us the push a little bit more. What do you look for us? What? Oh, wow. I'm out. I'm out. You can see a Trader Pro, guys, took my trade. Quant hour is low. Take profit has been hit. Trending. Let's go. I didn't see it. You can see that Quant hour was slower. Let's go, guys. No, but he's joking. Jose is joking. Nick does not trade on the second chart. Let's freaking go, guys. That was a beautiful trade. Continuation of this beautiful push, especially this candle here and previous highs. Let's freaking go. Thank you, guys. Good job, everyone. Good job, everyone. Good job. Thank you, Rudwan. Thank you, Abdel. Thank you, Soul Surfing. Welcome back. Thank you, Roshinko. Thank you, Tranquil with Glider. Thank you, Gaim. That was news. That was interesting things here. Let's go again to the 1 second chart. Let's go again to the 1 second chart there. What happened? Because that was again. That was again a quick few seconds. 1 second again, we jumped 15 points. 1 second again, we jumped 12 points, and then like literally a few seconds. Honestly, no, there was no possibility to add. Not really, I think. This break here, maybe again. Nah, no chance. We'll see. We'll see if we can get another trade, continuation higher. We'll take it. We'll be happy. If not, it's okay. Iran signals it wants to de-escalate hostilities with Israel. Okay. 9:55 a.m. That makes sense. Man, it's such a difficult period to trade these wars and every situations. It's really the fact that you're not blowing accounts. If you're not blowing accounts, you're winning. From my point, you're winning. When then the market starts to be much easier, and you have like 6 months of market easy to read, and you're just printing money, great. I like the name Financial Juice. I think we have it in Discord as. Wait, let me see what Discord, my Discord news feed of Wakey made. 9:50. Yeah, it's there. Break here and see. Oh yeah, that's where you copied it. Mufti the cat. Financial Juice. Sorry. Yeah, Financial Juice is the one we have in Discord newsfeed. It's Wakey connected. By the way, you just go to. Yeah, okay. So yeah, if you just go to our Discord and you go to newsfeed on the left side, you have the news of today. And at 9:55, like what you said, the Iran signals it wants to de-escalate hostilities with Israel. By the way, if I was someone at the, I don't know, that position's high, you know, I would be in stocks heavily. The moment we had to publish a news, I would be freaking buying stocks everywhere. Apple really went from the bottom to the from the bottom to the highs from the news. Oh my God, I need a coffee. At 2,000 people, we're gonna do a few giveaways. I'm still thinking about which type of giveaway, by the way. I don't know. Still money, or something like a monitor. You know, someone like to get you a monitor, so you can overtrade more if you see more charts. Yeah, I'm gonna think about that. It's gonna be always. It's gonna be my giveaways. I think it's gonna be always for the people that come to the live. No, the live people, the people that have been here forever. Respect for the veterans that you're here. So now we're gonna wait for the second trade, and it's just a matter of waiting right now and see what the market wants to do. Nvidia's pushing. No, I will see the idea if it works. I'm gonna probably buy it somewhere and ship it to your direction. I know if you live in USA, I will buy it from Amazon.com. If you live in Colombia, I will buy it from somewhere in Colombia. I don't know. News at 10 a.m. No, there is no news at 10 a.m. But definitely we have a few war news right now in this period. Right now, trading Nasdaq, trading Nasdaq with Apex Trader fund accounts. This is for the algorithm. What's up, Volknut? First trade green. AliExpress monitor. I will buy you somewhere. Yeah, it's true. AliExpress. It will ship everywhere. I just got a nice hit in queue. Let's go as well. Same. I got a nice long there. 1-to-1 long here. Stop loss was here, and take profit was here. A 1-to-1 risk reward. All just dropped so fast because of the news. Let's see as well the gold contract there. Let's see how it's gone with the gold. Mistake. A mistake. I didn't hear the mistake. What contract? As well, gold totally crashing. It's normal. When market goes up, gold goes down, because gold does not become anymore the investment choice. So for the moment, gold start to become a selling one. Heat map. Everything's green. The only things that is red is behind my face. That's the only thing that was red that it's behind me. So right now we're just pushing, guys. We are pushing. Buying zone as well in the hour chart. I'm kind of waiting for a possibility long again on the 5-minute chart. Especially if we keep holding previous highs, would be nice. I'm liking the second chart. Might end up trading it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. 1 second chart is craziness, man. It's craziness. Imagine that someone you trade 1 second chart, and what is your high time frame? 30 seconds, 1 minute. That's what I look for direction. And I trade on the 1 second chart. That's insane. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-ta. What a push! What a push, guys! What a freaking push! Yeah, they are inverse related because if the market is not going well, people then will invest in gold for long term. And if market is going well, people will remove money from gold, invest in NQ. That's the idea kind of behind. In the long term, both of them win. It's just on the speculative way, on a smaller time frame, they can be reversed. But that's in a long term situation, both of them win. Yeah, looks overextended, but I'm looking like a possibility of a long again if it allows me. Let me move to the 50-minute time frame. 50-minute time frame. Hopefully we can get a nice trade again. Can we get the 80 people here? 190, 1980. Someone of you is watching this video, this live, and is not subscribed. And remember to leave a like as well to the video, guys. Let's make it happen. $5,250. Can we make another trade and bring this day to be green? By the way, the 5-minute chart has been a blessing right now. 5 consecutive green days, 1 red day Friday, and now is back to green. Worst case scenario, we're gonna close in break even if we take another trade. So great for the moment, guys. Great for the moment. Yes, definitely the news helped 100%, but it is what it is. We took the trade before the news, and it worked out. But now we're getting some pullback from the stocks, but they're still all pushy. Oh. No, be happy with your TP. Tomorrow's another day. No, I mean, if I get another trade, I will take it. I will do the same if it was a red trade and I had the possibility to take another trade. If the market is good on a red day, let's take another trade. It's on my rules. It's my second trade. I go by rules. Second trade, max loss. These are rules that protect me. I don't look at TP. I don't look at the take profit. I don't look how much I am up. I look at what I executed, how many trades I can still execute. The TP does not make me happy. I'm happy I executed well my trade. That's what I'm happy for. I'm not happy for my TP. TP is the consequence of my trading actions. Am I trading well? My TP in the long term will be good. Am I trading bad? My TP will be bad on the long term, not on a singular term. So that's something that people always confuse. Be happy with your TP, be happy with your profit. Yes, it's true because we don't want to be greedy, but what you have to be is be happy with your execution. Did you follow your rules? Did you execute as you should? Did you plan everything? Yes or not? Then you decide on taking more trades or not. And risk management. Guys, I swear to you guys, you that you follow me, you're good traders. Because I speak sometimes with people, and you trust me, I have to have a lot of patience. I can tell you an example, guys, of someone complaining. Let's say this is a tick chart, 1 tick chart. So 1 tick chart on a news event. So what does it mean? That 1 tick chart is 1 trade. 1 tick chart is 1 trade. Imagine in a news event, how many thousand 1 tick chart can happen in milliseconds. So the tick chart was something like this. This price is here, then went down here, then it went down up here. And here below is like 3-4 ticks and then 3-4 ticks here. So what happened, this guy was triggered here, and his stop loss, sorry, he had his order was here, his take profit here, with stop loss here. His take profit was hit, and we're speaking about one tick chart. So one tick, and then boom, one tick here. So the market moved that quick, that fast, that his take profit was hit and his stop loss was hit. But it was an OC order. The order was not removed from the stop loss order was not removed in time. And he complained a lot, saying, what the heck, this is an OC order. If my take profit is hit, my stop loss should be hit. Man, that's in a perfect world. In a world where everything happens without delay, without any restriction, without any problems. We're not in a perfect world. Delays can happen that can relate to anything. First, you're trading a tick. I show you that in a tick chart, after 3-4 ticks in a news, the price moved that fast. So means that your stop loss got triggered as well. But the system did not have time to remove the stop loss, because that happened too fast. And it's like, this is not possible, or something like that. The system is too slow. Man, I swear to you, some people, you're like, do you know what are you trading? What is your risk management? He was trading news, one things. And this move happened like under a milliseconds. For a system to get triggered a take profit, realize that it was filled, cancel the stop loss, it can take, let's say, 5 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, 20 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds. Usually this kind of the time, you don't notice it because take profit and stop loss is far. But in a news where he put that close, what the heck? Yeah, I swear to you, man. That's what I say. You're good traders, guys. Some people are so bad. Are so really bad. Ay. So bad. Oh, nice big candle here, huh? You might not be trading today, Sabrina. Do the best as you can. Follow your rules, follow your execution, and I wish you the best for your trading. So right now, I'm not gonna take anything until I don't see the candle that I like. Yeah, I swear to you guys. I swear to you. So you are a good traders, guys. Really. So, you have patience. You know, I believe all of you will become profitable if you keep working on your discipline and your rules and execution. You're gonna be profitable traders. Follow these, and you're gonna be great traders, guys. With or without problems, whatever you keep working on that. Did I get 50 points on the trade? Did I get 50 points on the trade? Did I get 50 points? I got 50, yeah, 50 points, 51, 50, yeah, 50 points. Yes, 50 points. Habibi Siddhar, can I connect CGQ data driver to Quantower and copy my trades to Rithmic accounts? Can I get CD data? I don't think you can connect Tradovate things to Quantower. I don't think so. You might have to look into it. I still have to do the video for Quantower, you ask me. Okay, let me see. QG data in Quantower. Let's see. Tradovate. I don't think with Tradovate you can do it. Maybe you can connect it. Secret provides access to more than 70 other exchanges as you trade full. Maybe it allows you. I'm not sure. Maybe it does allow you, but I'm not sure. The best things you can do, Siddharth, I will tag you in Discord, and I will share with you the link. Is ask directly to Quantower Discord. Sounds stupid, but I bothered them a few times with my questions to learn a few things. Let me go here. Go to chat. I will tag you, Siddi. That is the Quant Tower Discord. Thank you, nice job. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. That was a good trade. Yes, I really liked it. Yes, that is Quant Tower Discord. They're really good. They know a lot, and I'm in their Discord as well to get like update and information of and as well if I have problems, you have people that know Quant Tower there, so they will definitely help you a lot. That's a beautiful push. That's a beautiful push there. That's a beautiful retest and push there. Nice mini bull flag. On the 1 minute chart, definitely, I think it shows that, right? Kind of there, yes. Oh, no, that's... and I didn't got this loss. Let's see if it gives me a signal, I will take it. Active strategy, 30 minutes break. Active strategy, 30 minutes break. Now. Oh, yes, it is now. Yes, here. Oh! Oh! Also, that the fact of taking a 30 minutes break with a large stop loss, such a relaxing way of trading, guys. Such a relaxing way. You don't have to bother anymore. Let's see the next candle. If the next candle comes here with a nice wick, you can get some push. I think I will go long. Yeah, I will go long. Can we get... Okay, let's see this candle here, the new candle here it comes. Let's see if it wants to come back and then go back to green. Would be nice, would be interesting. But we need that first to come back a little bit more. And then stay there and come back and take us then the highs. Then I will go look for longs. Longs, scalping, NQ. NQ, NQ with funded accounts. Okay, let's see how this candle does. The 2,200 are there just above. No, we don't have that much space, but this has to go a bit lower. We have the time. We don't have to. We're not forced to take another trade, but we will look if the trade appears. Definitely, we'll look into it. Ready for this break? Good luck. Ah, yes, this is the new break right now. Good luck to you and Abdel. I don't know if you took both of you already the trades. What was the previous trade here? 10 a.m., 10:15. Oh, this was the previous break. 10. Oh no, this is the previous break. Sorry, 1955. This was the previous break. Tack. I wish these things to go a little bit more down, and then we'll go for the break higher. And if that happens, that's gonna be quite a few contracts because it's not a big of a candle. Let's see. 3 more minutes for this candle to close, so it's still too early. Still fighting there. Not gonna take it. If we have something like this, it's a bit but yeah, it has to don't break without me. Last week Thursday high 22,189 rejection. 189 with the older contract, 22,118. Ah no, 118 with new contract. 180. Yes. Why I have 200s? In my case here I have 22,200 and something 200. I have 10 points higher. Why? Oh, you're looking. Oh no. I have 22,200 there. 1 minute and 50 seconds for this one. If it breaks right now without me, it's okay. It could be a little bit of aggressive, but I'm looking into it. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. So still 1 minute and 20 seconds before deciding to take a trade or not. That's the beauty of the 5-minute chart, is like you have so much time of like relaxing and thinking. I also like it now. It's already breaking without me. And this is not anymore a candle that I like to take a break of it. Unfortunately, if it was keeping a little bit more, then would have been nicer, but it is what it is. That would be amazing. Only 1 minute more, and that trade would have been okay. Now we don't have that trade anymore, so we wait. We wait a little bit more. It's patience. Patience is the only thing that pays as well. One of the skills that as a trader has to have. And if you don't have patience, you have to work on that. You have to work on that. You have my trading stop loss. Let's go. You are in a trade. You are in long position zones. Another I didn't see that thing, smart. Thank you for using my code Hamza. Yes, guys, 80% with my code Hamza, and somehow by luck with my code you get accounts that you pass and you get payout. So this is a lucky charm. Thank you, Matt. Congratulations. Hopefully 200. It does look interesting. I will be here to cheer for you as well. I'm not in a trade, but I will cheer for you to get the 200s. I would have loved to look for that break. How much is this week here compared to the rest of $111? Yeah, it's like slightly, I'm a little bit less than 50%, so I'm not gonna take it. I wish a little bit more, but it's okay. Push, 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 push for these people here. Let's make some money today. $5,250. Still trying to push here. Okay, maybe it's the moment. Maybe it's the moment of the roof. It's trying. Oh, Apple is beautiful pushing right now. Oh, that's beautiful 5 minutes candle in Apple, guys. Let's see if it's gonna be enough to squeeze you higher in Nasdaq. This market definitely wants to go a little bit more high. Jose, is your TP 10 or 15 points? Jose. Oh my God. Oh my God. $10, 73. You need 73. But you are in the other contract. You are in NQM5. NQM5. Because I'm already moved to the other contract, so So if you're looking for 73.5 means that you are in the other contract. Welcome to the new people. Remember to leave a like, subscribe. Here we preach discipline and execution. That's the only things we do, and we trade with a relaxing way. This thing is pulling back, unfortunately. I'm sorry for the people that are long. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see if it wants to come back. This we still have time, 10:23. If it flips, maybe a good entry. Yeah, I'm thinking that's what I'm looking. If this thing flips right now, from red to green, if it gets this low, even better. But we don't ask much, right? Maybe he wants to do another candle here, then it flips and we take the long, and that would be even better. 1 minute. It's good. It wants to break this little 5 minutes here. Take it. How much if I enter long here? $170 loss. But it has to flip quite quick in the next minute. It has to create a big wick. Maybe close somewhere here. Then I will be happy for an entry. Close from here and above. Because this is oh, that's coming. Oh, that's coming nice. 30 seconds there. Gonna wait for this candle to close, huh? Probably I'm gonna even put my order there. 20 seconds. It's against the 200, but it still looks good. Stop loss. Sorry for you, man. Good for calling it out. Good job on that. How much is that one, guys? $82 out of 100. Oh, that's a half. Exactly half. I wish a little bit more. I wished a little bit more than that. I wished a little bit more than that. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna use this candle. I'm gonna wait. Let's see. Let's see if this candle can come back and gets these people out. These people that went long here. If not, I'm not gonna take the trade. Even if this break looks good, to be honest, we have a little big wick here. We have another wick here. I'm gonna wait. It's playing with your emotions there. Okay, it's coming back a little bit lower. Let's see if it wants to get the previous lows, but I'm gonna wait for the moment to take the trade until I have a better candle. Coming back, get to red again to green, red to. I mean, I don't have red candles anymore, but black to blue, black to blue, back to blue. Good morning, Mohammed. Nice green for the moment. Let's see if the next trade is gonna work out. But I'm waiting to see if this market wants to show me a better candle for an entry. It's really fighting a lot right now. It does look it wants to grab some people out before going longer. $25 viewers. Hopefully we can go back to 30. We were 30 people for a while. Then I was not available for a few days, and then boom, crashed. But we're gonna get more. Guys, can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor, guys? Oh, and right now it's pushing. Let's see if this entry would have worked out anyway. I'm not gonna take it. I said it. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. But this would have been a nice entry. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Video of New York is out right now. If you can go leave a like to that video and a comment whenever you can, whenever you are you're free, you give it it just helps a lot sometimes. Share the shareable link. This is the video. Put it in the chat. Oh, that's it's coming there. The 200s are there. We unfortunately didn't take any more the trade. This one looked an interesting candle, but still not enough for me, guys. Still not the best for me. Somehow I'm not convinced about it. It's still as 80% candle, but it is what it is. If you took this long, TP Jose, good job. If you take this long, good luck. It definitely looks interesting. The 200s are there. That's the only thing, sir. But apart that, 1-to-1, I think it's approachable there. The 200s are there. If it does not give you that much problems, but yeah, for the moment, let's see. I'm still waiting for a nice freaking candle, but we wait. You took it, stop loss break even. Good luck. That's very very tight, but I see your idea of like, or it breaks quick, the 200s, or you're out, and it's a protective way as well. This Nasdaq sometimes can be, well, yeah, I got filled. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, it's a bit of a pain. This yeah, you want to risk it. Yeah, it's a risk. It's risky situations here. The 200s are there, but look at that. Oof. Okay, right now it's trying to break and continue higher. Piece of crap of market. Maybe it's gonna give me a candle before the end of my session, but it has to really. I just want these things here. If this candle was gonna close like a little bit with a smaller body, I think I would have taken it. But unfortunately, it is not, because what I look usually is a body and a wick, and this wick has to be more than 50% than the candle, and this one was around 50%. Kind of looked okay, but just because of that, if it was not that safe one, please at least be in a position where you have liquidated a previous low and then be like, okay, it took the previous low, I'm gonna go long, even if it's a 50%. Nothing happened though, so kind of a bit of discretionary there. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna call myself out of that candle and look for another one if it happens. Bye everyone, stay disciplined, stay Jose. Thank you for coming. Yeah, so that's the reason why for this trade I decide to skip it for the moment. We'll look if something else comes out. Oh, but that's why I have oh no, that's correct. Nasdaq. I want to say Nasdaq. Nvidia. Oh my god, I forgot the name for a moment. Nvidia, guys, look at this Nvidia. Beautiful flag in there on the 5-minute chart. This can be the next push of the Nasdaq. The moment this Nvidia stop playing around with this flag, this can be a huge one. for NQ to push higher. Let's see how it evolves. Right now, Apple is getting closer to the highs, and that's Amazon is pushing, Google as well, Microsoft too. Tesla not the fun one today, but all the rest is looking good, and that's why as well Nasdaq is pushing. So important factor there. Important factor. Still looking good there. Still looking good. Still looking good. That long at the break of this candle, still working. Still looking interesting. If it allows me to give me a nice weak candle here, I will still look for longs, even better about 200. And then I will look for coffee after this live. So guys, what is the most difficult part of your trading career right now? And if I can help on some advices, or at least what knowledge I have, I will help. What is your common things? You know, if it's about accountability, if it's about you're breaking your rules and stuff like that, and you see that other of you or two or three have the same things, that is when you join force. That is when you, as a trader, you look at yourself face to face and you're like, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you from now on. Let's create a small chat between each others and be accountable of what we do. And we help each other when we break rules. Revenge trading. That's revenge trading. That's an interesting one. It's been a while. I lose self-confidence very often. Above wealth, welcome back. I lose self-confidence very often. Interesting. Not taking a right trade, just watching play out without me. That's missing some FOMO there. Fear of missing the trades, or some FOMO creating after missing the trades. Not taking the right trade. Yeah, after like 2 losses in a row. Interesting. So let's check the revenge trading. Revenge trading. Especially, I guess, when you're missing a trade, it's happening. If you're missing a trade and you get revenge trading, then it's very close to fire at some feelings as well, right? This guy is missing trades over, right? Are you missing trades like you didn't take it, or you're getting revenge trading because when I lose, I want to get it back? Ooh, and you start to take shitty trades. That's what. Okay, so you don't accept the loss. That's the problem. I think that is the problem of when you analyze what is your problem is, okay, I have revenge trading. So revenge trading, which emotions are bringing me to have these emotions of revenging and taking actions? What is it? Okay, I took a loss. Okay, it's not about I'm missing a trade. It's because I'm taking a loss. Okay, so you don't accept the loss. So why you didn't accept the loss? Then now you ask yourself, why I'm not accepting the loss? Is it because I did not execute properly the trade? Or because I over leveraged? Or because I don't believe in the strategy? Right? It can be different points. So when you evaluate which one of these you can work even more specific on it. For example, I don't believe in the strategy. A strategy is not gonna give you results or outcome in a single trade. A strategy will give you results on a long term, hundreds of trades. So on a single trade, you can lose or win, and you have a 50% chance that it's going to be a losing or it's going to be a winning trade, and you have to accept that. The fact that you oversized and you lost too much, that is something that is a statistic game. If you over leverage on a trade, thinking that you know better than in the market that trade is going to be a winning trade, stop doing this bullshit. You're not better than the market. The only things you have against the market is that you have a statistic strategy against the market, and a repetition of it over and over and over and over and over again, over and over and over again is gonna make you profitable. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next day because you took one trade. It's just because you took hundreds of trades with the correct similar risk management, with the correct take profit, with the correct similar stop loss. Then you're gonna end up being a winner one. Stop evaluating yourself on P&L. Stop evaluating yourself on a P&L based. So when you take your trade and you have a loss, that how do you evaluate your trade is, did I take the correct strategy? Yes, checked. Did I use the same amount, same risk, and same of the other trades? Yes. Did I follow it during the trade? I didn't move my stop loss in a stupid way, stuff like that? Yes. Trade is good. It's done. Green or red, you don't give a shit. You don't give a shit if it's green or red on a P&L based. You don't know. You don't know, because you evaluate yourself on stuff that you know when you've taken the trade, not on stuff that you happen after. If you believe it, if you evaluate each of your trade because you're green or you're red, then they're doing everything wrong. You have to evaluate yourself on a trade is based on stuff that you knew before taking the trade, not stuff you knew after taking the trade, right? If your trade is a simple trade it's a strategy is as simple as taking the trade, put your stop loss and put your take profit, right? If you have to move stop loss is a different things, but that's one thing. Then let me. I lose self-confidence very often. It connects again on a things that two trades are nothing. If you have a 50%, win rate, 50% win rate, losing trades probability. If you have a 50% win rate, I'm gonna show you something now. Oh my god, I took the wrong page. Oh my god, what did I do here, guys? Okay, if you have a 50% win rate, out of 100 trades, 100 only trades, you have, now the picture is a bit, okay. It's a bit, okay. Let me, can I open it? Open image on new tab. Okay, you have 100 trades with a 50% probability, you have a 100% chance. So 100% chance you're gonna have 4 consecutive losses. And if you go even a bit lower to like 80%, you have 80% chance that you're gonna have 6 consecutive losses. So if you have a 50% win rate on 100 trades you're gonna take in the futures, you have to be ready for it that you're gonna take 6 consecutive losses. It's gonna happen. And you have to keep trading the same strategy until the end. That's what is a trader. That is a trader. This is statistic. This is probability. This is going to happen to you. You cannot have a strategy that is not going to have more than 6 consecutive losses. It's going to happen to you. So you have to be ready for it. So the fact that you have 2 consecutive red rates is nothing, especially if you have 50% win rate, right? And imagine in a 1,000 trades, because you're not going to trade 100 trades. If you know that you're profitable with the strategy, imagine 1,000 trades. The fact of having 10 consecutive losses is going to be 100%. It's going to be a really good chance you're going to have 10 consecutive losses. So you have to be ready for that. It's all a statistic games, guys. The moment you switch your mindset to statistic and execution, everything works out. Cutting losses early and letting winners run. That is about strategy and backtesting it and trusting your strategy. The fact of you want to improve it and try to cut losses early, you can do it. I'm trying to do it and I'm fucking up most of the time. Like last 3 days, I took a loss. I cut my loss and then it was a winning trade too early. It's about backtesting and then relying on your strategy over and over again. 2K trade. 2Ks very soon. Please show your pics of. This is my travel computer. Is this one, guys? Can I show my full camera? I'm not sure if I can show my full camera. It's a bit of a mess, right? But this is my portable monitor. It opens, it closes. It's like a kind of laptop. It's not that big, small enough, and this has been a big change for me. So right now you see I have the stocks here below and the NQ here above. So I have the 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and 1-hour chart, and the stocks here below. But usually if I don't have my main computer here in front of me, my monitor, this is where I trade, and this is where I check the stocks, and my PC where I check the Nasdaq. Now everything is changed. So, but yeah, guys, one thing is really since my how it became relaxing on my trade is because I start to don't care about the fact if I lose one trade or win one trade. It doesn't make sense to stress on a singular trade. I'm gonna if I keep trading my strategy and at the end of the month I'm still negative, and I'm still negative, but I've done my job as a trader. You know what is the problem? Is the strategy. I'm gonna improve the strategy. But if you keep on every time breaking your rules, you don't know the data. You don't have datas. You don't have informations that are reliable because your information are always contaminated by your emotions. But if you keep trading as you do, at the end of the month you're relaxed. You know I've done my best as a trader. I took my trades, and okay, guys, I'm looking for possible longs here. This is a beautiful long. I'm looking for over 22,000. That's a beautiful long, guys. We still have time. One more minute. Let's see. This can be a beautiful long. What's the name of the screen? It's a freaking Chinese brand. I bought it for like $220 in Amazon. There are so many like this one, the same ones in Amazon. They just changed the name. I'm gonna look at the Amazon link and send it to you in Discord, if you're in Discord, Trade with Gator. But there are like many of them, like for $200 in Amazon. 26 seconds. I'm looking for this one, guys. Looking for this break higher. This is kind of candle I like. I'm gonna go there. Risk $160. If we break above, and we'll look for similar TP. It is looking good. And we're long. We're long. Every account has been filled. Not yet. 2 accounts have not been yet filled. I have to be careful on that. If this thing comes back and it does not yet fill me with the other accounts, I got filled here. Why I don't have short exposure? I'm confused. It's in the link below. Oh wow. It's in the link below, below the video. Give me a second because I'm looking at the short exposure. Why is 0 here? Like for example here, what is this account? 33. Account 33 has what? I don't understand why Rithmic tell me I don't have short exposure. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed by this. That was a horrible week. I really like that long. We are still in a trade because I like the trade, but hopefully we're gonna get these things to turn back. Let's see. We might give back some profit. But still, the trade is good. Oh, the trade looks good, to be honest. Just a matter of give it the time it wants. We're risking $150, $60 there. Is it a OC order? Yes, I think so. Now it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time to wait, wait. Let me know if you're in the Discord. I'm gonna look right now and send you the link. Amazon, where are you from? Trade with Gator. Let me send it to Amazon. But okay, I'm gonna get stopped out there. Double monitor, portable, USA. Something like this. I send you a few links because then you have to look at which one is the best. But there are many different prices. Are you in Discord right now? Trade with Gator? These links I'm sending you in the chat are not, there are no affiliate or whatever, just to let you know. I'm not, just to avoid any misunderstandings. I just send you free examples of portable monitors that I use, because what I like about this kind of monitors is that I have a C cable. I don't have to charge it. It charges right. It uses the power, but the power that I give it with the C cable. We're gonna get stopped out in this trade, guys. We're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna accept it. It's already accepted. This trade was a good trade. Unfortunately, it is not happening, but it is what it is. In general, you have to verify yourself first. You have to verify yourself. After you verify yourself, there is a chat that is called general, in generals, and that's what I send it. But you have to verify yourself first. Verify yourself, and then you're ready to go. The verification process is a simple thing, but it just allows a little bit of screening from us to not get all the shit people around. I think you got to verify yourself right now. Probably, I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out. This thing is coming back to us in the wrong moment. But who knows? Maybe that Nvidia is just grabbing some liquidity. Or we're gonna be liquidity grab. Or we're gonna be liquidity grabs, guys. It's gonna be the moment of liquidity grab. Oh, this trade was good, to be honest. I really liked it. Okay. If I get slippage in this trade, what did I do? What did you do? I didn't do anything. If I get slippage in this loss, I'm gonna be screaming, guys. Screaming. In general, general. It's called general. General. It's in my Discord. If you verified yourself, then in the general. I'm gonna see. I found you. Get ready. I'm gonna tag you. I tagged you. You should have getting it right now. Caught a mini short, man. You got a mini short there. That was beautiful from this liquidity grab here. That was my mistake there. No, my mistake no, but it's okay. Let's see. Abdel said that the moment I looked in Amazon, Amazon start to spike because I start to speak about I start to speak about Amazon. So Nvidia is great. Nvidia is a great software company, hardware company with graphic card, and I'm thinking about buying graphic card from Nvidia. Yes, and you should buy the same. You can see general chat, Jackie. Let's see, Jackie. Did you verify yourself, Jackie? I don't see Jackie. What is your name in Discord? I can tag you. What is your name in Discord? What's your name in Discord? And I will tag you back. I can see it. I cannot. It's a bit of a hard to help from these things. Can I do something to show you? Not sure. Can I do something to show you? Cannot really even do that much. Let me see. Give me a second. I'm trying to see if I can help you a little bit more. Maybe we're gonna get stopped out and I don't show that things, then people will think that I'm hiding things. Okay. So right now, you see there, you have the general chat is where I'm chatting. This is here, general chat, and where I tagged Gator. This is the general chat here. You have to increase general and you should find it. After you verify yourself, it should appear. Where is Active Society? Not that much social. He trades. He's not a big social guy. Nvidia is trying to push on the flag, guys. Jackie Ledley, okay. I'm gonna get stopped out. Please stop me out and I'm done. Thanks for your help. No worries at all. Let's see if you're there. You're not there. I don't think even you entered in the chat at all. Let me see if you are in the other one. Yeah. Are you in the correct oh no, you're there. I think you've done it now. No. What the fuck? I'm not sure if you verified yourself, to be honest. You are in the chat room. I see you are in the chat room. Yeah, I'm looking at the Jackie, but I cannot find him right now. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out. Oh my god, I got slippage. We closed the day at $741 from $5,000 of profit. It is what it is, but second trade has to be taken, guys. I have my rules there. I honestly really like this trade. About 200, we were close, grabbed some lows. I think it's still a good chance to go higher, but it is what it is. I have to call myself out. I'm gonna try to help you from Discord there, Jackie. So see you in Discord. I will try to tag you and get you there from there. For the moment, guys, I have to leave. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for coming. We're closing the day in green, not as much as we wanted. We wanted to double the sides, but it is what it is. Have a beautiful time, guys. See you around. See you tomorrow, 9.5. And if you are thinking to buy Epix, remember my name is your best discount available. Take care, guys. I'll text you in Discord, Jackie.